How to update ADP Mobile Solution app. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. First thing first, what you want to do is head over to your App Store, or you can head over to Play Store if you are on your Android device. So once you are in here, in the search bar, you have to search for ADP Mobile Solution. Move into this application. So right here, instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date. And if you don't have the latest version of the app, the issues and the bugs might arise, and then it will be difficult to use the app. That's why if you see the option of update, then you have to click on update and then update the application to the latest version. Similarly, you can update any of the application you want to, and then reduce the chances of facing some issues and bugs. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can update ADP Mobile Solution app. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.